For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
A source close to Bollywood superstar Salman Khan has revealed that Bhaijaan won't opt for his films to be streamed on OTT platforms. The actor currently has 2 projects under different stages of production. Not just that, the 54-year-old is not even tempted to act in a web series, even though some of his contemporaries have succumbed to the temptation. Tollywood's darling Prabhas, who became a nationwide sensation with his film Bahubali, has shared the first look of his next film titled Radhe Shyam on social media. The actor can be seen in a romantic pose with Pooja Hegde, the leading lady in the film. It is said that Radhe Shyam is touted to be a period love story which has its main story revolving in Europe. It is being reported that Prabhas will essay the role of a fortune teller and Pooja Hegde will be seen as a princess. If reports are anything to go by, then actor Ranveer Singh is all set to do a cameo in Alia Bhatt's Gangubhai Kathiawadi. The Padmavat actor shares a special bond with both Alia and the film's director, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. It is being said that Ranveer plays a pivotal role in the film, even though he appears for a few minutes in the film. As per reports, filmmaker Zoya Akhtar has secured the rights of the Hollywood flick The Departed to be remade in Hindi. Sources claim Zoya offered the role of Leonardo DiCaprio to Ranveer and he immediately agreed to do the role. It is also being said that Katrina Kaif might be cast opposite Ranveer Singh as the leading lady. As per reports, Amitabh Bachchan's 19-year-old grandson, Agastya Nanda, has been getting offers from filmmakers to make his debut in Bollywood. Agastya is young, handsome, and resembles his grandfather in many ways and has a huge fan following on social media. Sources say Agastya is interested to work in the film industry and is looking at his options. Hashtag CBI for Son of Bihar trends on Twitter after fans and well-wishers of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput demanded a CBI inquiry into his death by suicide nearly a month after his demise. Former Union Cabinet Minister Subramanian Swamy has also joined the brigade and appointed a lawyer to see if the case is FIR or a CBI inquiry. Bollywood actor Shekhar Suman has also been pressing for a CBI inquiry into the actor's death for a long time now. Shekhar Suman's son Adhyayan Suman has hit out at the camps in Bollywood. According to him, groupism in Bollywood is a bigger problem than nepotism. He claims that 14 of his films were shelved due to wrongly projected box office figures. The actor has accused the elite in Bollywood of not allowing talented actors to flourish and thrive with various tactics. Culture and Tourism Minister Prahlad Patel has asked the Indian film fraternity to shoot within India and has granted permission to shoot at archaeological sites of India. He claims that filmmakers will be granted permission to shoot at ASI sites within 15 to 20 days after applying online. His suggestion comes as part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. However, one wonders if big production houses will accept the offer due to the harsh ground realities of shooting outdoors in India. The ugly spat between Pooja Bhatt and Kangana Ranaut continued even a day after both parties posted a series of tweets against each other. While Pooja stuck to facts in her tweets, Kangana's team repeated the age-old allegations against Vishesh Films, headed by Mahesh Bhatt, and made fresh allegations against the filmmaker. However, they thanked her after Pooja Bhatt posted a video where Kangana acknowledged the Bhatt's family for giving her the opportunity.